Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate USA Network on Roku step by step clearly. To activate USA Network on your Roku device, begin by turning on your Roku and connecting it to your TV. Next, navigate to the Roku home screen by pressing the home button on your remote. Scroll down and select Streaming Channels from the menu. In the Streaming Channels section, go to the search bar and type USA Network. Select the USA Network app from the search results. Click on the Add Channel option to install the app on your Roku. Once the installation is complete, return to the home screen. Locate and open the USA Network app. You will see an activation code displayed on your screen. Take note of this activation code for the next step. Now, using a web browser on your computer or smartphone, go to the URL www.usanetwork.com/activate. You will be prompted to sign in with your TV provider credentials. Choose your TV provider from the list provided and enter your login information. After logging in, enter the activation code you noted earlier into the designated field. Click on the Activate button to complete the process. Once activated, return to your Roku device. You should now have full access to USA Network content. Enjoy streaming your favorite shows and movies on the USA Network app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.